Lesson 4, the power of positive thinking for traders. Positive thinking can help traders develop a winning mindset and achieve their goals. Positive affirmations can help traders overcome negative self-talk and limiting beliefs. Visualization techniques can help traders mentally rehearse successful trades and build confidence. Maintaining a positive attitude can help traders bounce back from losses and stay motivated. So, kind of to dive a little bit deeper into this, if you stress out and focus on your losses, like I just lost 500. I can't believe I lost 500 trading today. Why did I do that? I'm so stupid, blah, blah, blah. You're bringing your energy down and you're not going to be able to go forward at a higher level that you need to be at if you keep building your, or keep breaking yourself down into a really low level. You need to act as if you are a professional trader, act as if you're running a professional business as a trader, and that is going to get everything else to fall in place when you keep yourself at that high level and keep your energy high. And that is what positive thinking is going to do for you. So before you trade, be thankful that you're able to trade. You found out about trading. You know what you need to do in trading. You need to trust yourself, stick to your rules, and go about it. And then you also need to, when you do journal your trades, you need to talk about what went right. I planned this, price did this, and it worked out great. I made a profit today. That is awesome. That is exactly what I know I could do as a trader. And if anything, if you lose a trade, analyze it. Say, I know I shouldn't have done this because this didn't align with my system in place that I have, that I know I need to trust and that I have built for a reason. So tomorrow I need to worry about my rules and stick to them because I know I put those rules in place to make me a successful trader. So I need to trust my plan, stick to the system, and I'll be able to trade how I want to trade and get those profits. So you can see I didn't focus on the loss. I focused on what didn't work, what did I not do, and how can I focus on what is going to work and reassure myself I do know what to do, and we're going to do that tomorrow, and it's going to be a great day of trading. So you see how you keep the energy up, keep you focused on what matters, because you can't win every trade. Even if your system entirely lines up, there's still a chance you're going to take a loss. And if those do happen, you say there's nothing I could do. I stuck to my plan. It's part of the game. Can't win everything. I'm glad that I stuck to my plan because this loss is very small compared to what would have happened if I got emotional, maybe kept buying more as price was getting cheaper for your setup, but really was just going to hit your stop loss. Or maybe you didn't move your stop loss lower, which you used to do, and that would have occurred a bigger loss. So you need to find that positive and just keep that energy up, keep you focused on what matters, the system that's going to take you to success, and just keep moving forward. So maintain that positive attitude, very crucial. Stay out of negativity and those, don't beat yourself down. We're here to build up and become successful. You cannot become successful if you keep beating yourself down. Quick little story to think about: crabs in buckets. You can look them up. They're on YouTube. There's tons of videos. As a crab is getting out of the bucket, you got 3 to 4 crabs pulling itself back, or pulling that crab back into the bucket. That is not how you want to work with yourself. You don't want to start getting out of that bucket and then just pull yourself back in the bucket. As you're climbing out, you want to be the crabs pushing that crab out of that bucket. So when you get out of that bucket, which is for us successful trading, you're able to stay there and not have to worry about pulling yourself back to the old self and being in the cycle of losing.